Hi guys, another video. Now is a video about the Honda CR-V drive shaft. As you people can see over here that I have rebuilt it. Okay, I have rebuilt the drive shaft. The problem with after rebuild the drive shaft of a Honda CR-V, this is the problem. Every time I flip the drive shaft, there is some kind of noise inside it. Yeah. Okay. This drive shaft is the engine side. As you can see, it is the engine side drive shaft. Okay. I don't know whether you can see it or not. It is the engine side. Okay. This one. Not this one. This one, okay. This one direct to the back side. This one, okay. The problem is with the problem one is with the front one. I have rebuilt the drive shaft and it make inside the drive shaft. See, there is something inside the drive shaft. I try to make it and I try to fix it. See you on the second video.